Fire Station 3 is fully staffed. Having a dedicated crew eliminates the need for cross-staffing and gives us stronger response capabilities. In fact, we can now deploy both the fire engine and the ambulance stationed there at the same time, which has increased our 4-minute response time coverage, a benchmark set by the National Fire Protection Association, by an estimated 33% citywide. New playground equipment has arrived and is being installed now at Hillcrest Park. When the project is complete, the new ADA-accessible playground will be fenced and tiled, a huge step towards welcoming people of all ages and abilities in our parks. The new playground was designed by Northwest Playground with input from the community, including guidance from Cascadia Clubhouse and Spark. Have you seen our paint truck? Over the next few weeks, we will be making our streets safer by repainting road lines. Crews will start with the yellow lines and then paint the white edge lines, so don't be surprised if you see the city's paint truck on the same road more than once. For the safety of our crews and all road users, do not pass the paint truck or traffic cones. Watch out for fresh paint and avoid driving over the new lines. We are making it easier for you to stay informed and connected. The city has launched official city Facebook and Instagram pages where we will be posting about city projects, roadwork, closures, alerts, and more. Keep up to date with what's going on around Mount Vernon between these videos by subscribing. We've also updated the city's website to make it easier to find the information you need. Our new How Do I menu provides quick links to city services. We've added a translation feature to all our pages and made our documents accessible for those who need it. This is part of the city's renewed effort to proactively keep our public informed and connected to their government. And that's what's going on this month around Mount Vernon.